Okay, okay. All right, let's get your dummy. Come on then. There isn't much that will bring out the maternal instinct more than a baby crying. And this reborn doll, reborn baby, was crying because of a secret. If I undo the little sleeper here, you'll see that I have in place a sticky back voice module, which I have pre-recorded on the real baby's voice crying. There's a little lead here which leads to a button, and when you press it, the baby starts crying. Press it again and it will stop. This recording lasts for about 30 seconds. If you want it to last longer, you can simply press it again and it will last a minute, 2 minutes, whatever you want. It's great fun to use. It can be used with any kind of vinyl reborn doll or silicone baby doll, and adds a whole new dimension to interacting with your baby doll. It adds a lot of realism, a lot of fun. And at the moment I'm selling these voice recordings on eBay, so look out for them on Newborns by Naomi. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Bye.